Overnight tonight, 77 degrees, southeast wind 5 to 10. Sure, it's a little humid out there, but no big deal. Now, this chance for rain I'm talking about in the afternoons, it's teeny tiny. Just in case the sea breeze manages to gain a little traction, I don't want you to be caught unawares. Otherwise, 96, partly cloudy, mostly sunny, southeast wind 10 to 15, but it's going to like 106. And again, here's the issue. The sea breeze blows in, and in that zone where the cool air is bashing up against the warm air, you can see a shower or thunder shower. It starts over here and then ends up in the upper valley, and then it kind of goes away. And we wait for the next day, and here we go again. Another shot coming on in, and that's Thursday. Oh, then there's Friday, poop, and then it goes and then it moves to the west, and that's it, each and every day. But it doesn't always gain traction. It doesn't always pop off rain, so we look at it with a discerning eye, a critical eye, and we say, will there be rain? Probably not, but it may very well pip or pop here or there any afternoon. So how much could it be? Oh, very little. Less than 1/4 of an inch near the coast because the sea breeze likes to fire up inland. And then you end up with 1/2 inch to an inch potentially in spots anywhere from, say, Rio Hondo onto Weslaco or Alton or Progresso. Possible, just possible, a pop or a pip here or there. You have that 20% chance, that just itty-bitty stuff all the way on through the weekend. So don't cancel your outdoor plans this weekend. Get ready to get out there and mow the yard or whatever it is you have to do. Maybe you still have some hurricane cleanup to do. And then you've got a 30% chance, a little bit better, heading into early next week as we have some upper-level helpers coming on in. Now, we look at the daytime temperatures, 97 degrees. It's going to be plenty hot. That's valley average on through and into the weekend. It's going to feel more like the black numbers there, 105. So that means you need to be on your best behavior and drinking lots of water, making have shade and water, and of course checking that back seat. It wouldn't hurt to check the AC filters either. Saturday and Sunday we're looking at 97-ish, 96-ish for valley average highs, as I showed you. But again, that 20% chance of rain and rumbles is about all we're going to squeeze out of this, courtesy of the sea breeze. Maybe, maybe not, probably not. Now, the tropical snapshot shows Tropical Depression 11 down there in the South Atlantic. That's almost 3,000 miles southeast of Savannah, Georgia. Ooh, that's a long ways off. And it's a depression, and it's expected to continue to make its way onto the west, northwest, skirting along the Windward Islands, and then heading more than likely toward either the Bahamas or maybe even Bermuda. It's a long ways off. Nothing is showing any indication of it threatening the valley whatsoever. But we're always watching things like that because this season has been fairly aggressive so far, and it's expected to remain such because we've got plenty of warm water out there in the ocean in the Gulf of Mexico. We have less shear or less hostile conditions for hurricane development, less dust. You remember when all that dust was going around and we were telling you the dust helps to kill hurricane development? Well, less dust means wide open, and then favorable over the Atlantic, the conditions in the atmosphere over the eastern Atlantic favorable, and then more of those little baby storms coming off Africa. I call them that because it's just easier to say, rather than some of the little seeds of storms coming on off Africa. As far as I'm concerned, we're just going to continue to monitor the hurricane situation, always, as we always do, but with interest, because the season is expected to remain fairly aggressive. Now, the 7-day forecast takes you right on through with conditions that will be warm or hot and humid with a slight chance for a daily shower, improving a little bit for early next week.